Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a lesson for spoken Kannada learners. So in the last video we learned about the past tense, the basic sentence and the negative of it. Alva? The same thing we are going to do today also, but for the present tense. And I hope you have done your activity in the last video that I gave to you. So in the video we had done about the done for the self, which is Nanu. And I requested you all to do it for the he, she, they, it, and for all those cases. I hope you have practiced and you have gone through the video lessons of the past tense also. So here we are going to do the present tense. If you want, you can just go and revise the present tense once. So the videos are given in the playlist in the Spoken Kannada, by name Spoken Kannada. I leave the link here and also you will get the link in the description box. So please check Madi. Present tense practice madi, then you can come to this. It will be much more easier for you to understand. So now let's make a note of the verbs that we want to use it here. The first one is do, which is madu, and mad is a colloquial version. Second is see, watch or look, which is nodu or nod. Then I have a eat, tinnu or thin. Drink is kudi. So here I don't say could actually, but it's complete word because it's ending with a I sounding. Then I have a go, which is hogu or hog, and six is a come, ba, the most commonly used, but when it comes to the tenses I'll be using the baru or bar. It's not a bar, it's a bar. Okay, so ivaga let's come to the basic sentences. Okay, just like the past tense we did. So first one I would say I am working. I am working, which will be nan work ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Nan work ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So if I want to say I am not working, the negative of it, nan work ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So what you are adding is tilla. In the didn't usage, it was lilla, right? So here, just like a work madu, you can try for a plan madu, order madu, book madu, verify madu, think madu, drive madu, cook madu, cut madu, open madu, close madu. In all these cases, I don't want to learn the exact Kannada verb, but still it is comfortably you can use the English verb, but make sure that you add madu. And for these instances, you can't do it, which sounds really weird. So I'm giving you the Kannada verbs. But what are the verbs I told you before now? You can use for all those instances madu. Cook madu, plan madu, think madu, verify madu, order madu, book madu, cut madu, open madu, close madu, drive madu. Okay, so idikella try and do it. And I'm using only for nanu, the self, and the remaining it will be given as an activity. Okay, na? We'll go for the next one. The next one is see. Is I am watching movie. Nan movie ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Perfect. Nan movie ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I am watching movie. The negative of it will be nan movie ನೋಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I am not watching movie. Nan movie ನೋಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. The next one is eat. Nan ice cream ತಿಂತಿಲ್ಲ. I am not eating ice cream. And never ever use ನಾನು ice cream ತಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First ತಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ and I am not eating ice cream. ನಾನು ice cream ತಿಂತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, and never ever use the ತಿನ್ನು with meals, dinner, lunch, breakfast. You can't say breakfast ತಿನ್ನು, lunch tinnu, dinner tinnu. You always say breakfast madu, lunch madu, dinner madu. So that's how it is taken for the complete meals. When you are taking a separate one, then you can use tinnu, like ice cream tinnu, pizza tinnu, burger tinnu, chocolate tinnu, biscuits tinnu. Then you can try this one. Okay. The next one will come. The next is kudi. Nan tea kuditiddini. Nan tea kuditiddini. I am drinking tea. ನಾನು ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತಿಲ್ಲ. I am not drinking tea. ನಾನು ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತಿಲ್ಲ. I am not drinking tea. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ one more end add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes. Next one is I am going outside. Naan horage. Horage is outside. Horage ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I am going outside. So the negative part will be yes. ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Next one. I am coming now. ನಾನು ಈಗ. Now is ಈಗ. ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay. So ನಾನೀಗ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ is a negative version. Clear? So I hope you have understood and you have understood the basic present tense ಮತ್ತೆ the immediate negative of it. And the negative will remain same for the he, she, they, it, everything. For example, here I can say Raju work ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So this one will change. If you have practiced the present tense, then you will understand this. Raju work ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Suma movie ನೋಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ತಿಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾಯಿ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ or ನಾಯಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕುಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾಯಿ is a dog. Okay. ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಪ is not going outside. Friends ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Friends are not coming now. So ಈ ಥರ you can improvise it. Okay na? So I want you to try with the basic present tense ಮತ್ತೆ negative of it. Okay. And try ಮಾಡಿ comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ mention ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ please do let me know in the comment section and write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. Okay, so we have done the past sentence and the negative, present tense sentence and the negative in today's video. Next one we'll be doing the future matte past continuous. So I hope this has been useful and very helpful for you. Share this video with your friends who are learning Kannada, who have started learning Kannada, who are interested in learning Kannada language. So thank you so much. Meet you all with one more video anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.